Hello and welcome to this Skuid short video where we're going to be taking a look at how you can use Skuid to connect to external financial data. In this example, we'll see the use of a REST API in Skuid to connect to external financial and stock market data. We'll be using the stock ticker symbol field against the account object in Salesforce to drive the filtering of the data we're calling from that REST API. And we'll also see how we can use Skuid to create a custom Lightning component to consume this financial and market data, all built without any code. Let's first of all have a look at the finished solution. So in this particular demo, we're going to be taking a look at the Apple account, and here we're in the account details page within Lightning, and we're on the details tab. And if we scroll down, we can find this section here called financial details, and everything that you're seeing here has been built using Skuid. We'll talk more about how we built this in a short while. So we've got three sub-tabs, our key info and news, so we can see here some key information about the account. We can also see a news feed here, so there's only one article at the moment, but if we click on the card, then it will link us out to the full article. If we had more articles, they'd appear as other cards in this space down here. If we go and have a look at the financial analysis, we can see the key numbers from the last set of financial reports. So here we're viewing the report from the end of June. We can see all of the key figures, and we can scroll down and also have a look at the key numbers for the report at the end of March. And then lastly, if we go to the market data tab, we can see the latest stock market values and also how the stock market data has been trending over the last 6 months. What I'm going to do here is toggle this down to the granularity of day, and then what we can do is then maybe just filter on this last range of days to see how it's recently been trending. So that's how you, once you've connected to your external financial data, how you could bring that into a screen within Lightning using Skuid. And here we're using Skuid as part of a standard Lightning page, so Skuid is being used as a way to create custom Lightning components without code. Let's have a look at how we achieve this in Skuid. So one of the key building blocks of this demo is the fact that we're calling a REST-enabled API to bring in our financial and stock market data. So here we're using the IEX Trading API. And in Skuid, within the admin area that you're seeing here on screen, we've created a data source using the REST data source type, where we specified the base URL of the IEX Trading API and also the authentication method, which in this case requires 0 authentication. And then in our Skuid page, let's have a quick look at that. So over in the Skuid app composer, we can see we've got a number of different models. So one of the things that we've got here is the account model. And what this is doing, it's filtering the data to the account that we're viewing in our Lightning page. So it's taking the ID of the account, and then one of the fields we're pulling through is the ticker symbol of the account in our Salesforce record. And then we're using that ticker symbol to then filter the different endpoints of our IEX Trading API. So here, this particular endpoint is going to retrieve the company details, and so we're going to pass in the stock ticker symbol from our Salesforce record, and then we're going to go away and get all of the fields from the API, which, as we've seen, we then using in a field editor to display that. And then what we've got in terms of the other models is calling the different endpoints of the IEX Trading API. So the financial information, things like the news and the data to show me the open, high, low and close of the stock symbol we're looking at for the last 6 months. And then we're just using the standard Skuid components to represent how we want that to look. And then what we do is we then save that Skuid page, we then drag it into the Lightning page via the Lightning app builder, and we have our finished solution. So that's how you can get external financial data into your Salesforce Lightning screens with 0 code using Skuid. Thanks very much for watching.